A colorful ceremony marked the end of an intensive training program for workers drawn from various factories. The goal is to equip them with practical skills and formal certification to enhance their employability and job security.
The key areas of assessment developed by DIT. This training is really an element, is part of what they have done is really related to decent work. You know, decent work is the kind of employment where workers do not only have opportunities for fair wages, opportunity to social protection, but also opportunities to personal development.
During the event, Apollo Onzuma, the Assistant Commissioner, Minister of Labour, Gender and Social Development, emphasized the importance of observing safety and health standards in the workplace, calling upon employers to uphold these vital requirements.
Organization, every employer in this country to observe the requirements for safety and health of workers, not only providing kits for the workers to put on for them to protect themselves, but also for cases of accidents, they should be able to ensure that there is treatment provided to workers who get injured.
Christine Niwechava from National Union of Infrastructure noted that it's important that workers receive training and certification, especially those in factories. This recognizes their competence and boosts their morale.
We are moving from companies to companies, requesting workers, please come on board, get these certificates, then from your certificate, attach a salary. Like any other person who has presented an academic credential, attach a salary. And these certificates, they are very good because for them, when you're given a job, you're taken as someone who knows. You don't need more training.
We have this tagline which says inspired by innovation. So, you know, this is one of the innovation we did whereby we wanted to skill the workers, and in conjunction and in partnership with Workers Union and DIT, we came up with this program whereby today we are happy to say that we have 88 graduates.
Robert Wanzusi, chairperson, National Union of Infrastructure, Civil Works and Woodworkers, noted that the certificates workers have attained are highly relevant, saying that they are more competent and confident in their work.
As you know, for us, our mandate is to advance the social and economic interests of the workers. The question of education is a social service. The question of health is a social service. Just like the way you see we have a medical facility here, which was established as a result of a negotiation between the union and the company. So education is an essential service to the worker, is a social service.
The collaboration between trade unions and industrial partners is seen as a model for workforce development, especially in sectors where formal training is often lacking.
My appeal to companies, especially of this nature, is skills development is a decent work requirement. It is a cost which every employer should look at as a cost which will help in having a productive workforce.
Because they were found to be very, very, very competent in their relevant fields. Because the government had put in place a program that recognizes people who are in this caliber, even though they never went through the normal school setting. We were recognized as an assessment center. So we came here and organized workers, helped them to understand more about this program of DIT, and they accepted to go through the necessary guidance for them to be assessed.
Julius Mhomuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.